What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the part 2 of the Polaris RZR 800 rebuild. Today we got all plastics in. If y'all remember watching the other video, y'all can see that we had to order the tail light plastic and the tub on the back. So let's go ahead and get those open so we can see what condition they are. So let's get started. Alright guys, so these are the used parts that I bought. I did buy them from eBay for a really good deal. I didn't want to buy new ones because, again, this is already used. It got scratches and dents in it, and that's the only thing we're going to be doing with this, so there was no point of us buying brand new ones. The only thing it had was I believe the intakes were out, like a 3-way intake from the back, and those were the holes, but that doesn't hurt me, so that's just going to be left there. And then this is the rear taillight panel, which is in excellent condition, just, you know, normal wear, which is going to be good. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this one. Take this one apart in the back right here, get this one replaced, the floor, and then get the taillight panel put on. And we're going to go ahead and repair Alright guys, so we got the battery installed. So when I was picking up the battery, I stopped by Harbor Freight and I bought one of their cheap ATV winches that I want to put in here because ours is missing. So let's open it up and see what kind of winch it is and see how hard it is to install it. Alright guys, so we ran into a little problem. I thought it would work with the wiring that's already hooked up, but apparently it doesn't work. None of the switches, I guess it already had some kind of remote before. So I'm gonna try to bypass this, take these off, put this one on, and hook up the jump box and try to test it before I wire everything up. So let's get started. Guys, so we have a problem right here. This, I guess, when we were trying to load it, it popped out completely. It was already busted, as y'all can see. So we have to get a new spindle for the front. So we're gonna use the forklift to load it. Alright guys, so I put it on its stands. I still gotta strap it down, but I want to show y'all what the front spindle got damaged. Look at this. I guess while the accident, I didn't notice that. I didn't really inspect it or anything like in the front, but it got damaged. It even messed up the whole bearing, as y'all can see right here. I'll try to focus it and get it in a little better. See, it broke it off, but the axle is still good, so I'm gonna use that. I won't have to buy that, but I had to buy new brake pads, so I went ahead and bought a whole kit. I'm just gonna replace them all. Other than that, it's not bad. And let me show y'all the damage in the back real quick. Alrighty guys, so if you can see right here, let me get it out. This is where it got bent. It just got pushed back that way. So I'm gonna have to take the lower control arm off and pull it out. As y'all can see, it's a little, you can see it from here, how it's pushed in. So I'm gonna get that pulled out and put the wheel back straight. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all how bad this spindle or hub broke, as y'all can see right there. I'm gonna try to bang it out. It does come with the bearing, so I'm just gonna probably go ahead and put a new bearing in. Guys, so I got it off the frame machine. I'm gonna go for a test drive, so let's go with it. That was fun. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. If y'all enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give me a follow on Instagram, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.